Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 9T and I'm gonna show you how to take burst shot in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap here we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left to this button with settings. When we pick it we can open the advanced camera settings. From here let's just simply slide a little bit down to the press and hold shutter button option. When we tap here we can decide to record video, take burst shot or focus. Let me stay on burst shot and let's go back to the camera to show you how it works. Now when we tap on the shutter here a little bit longer, we should take the burst shot, so the series of pictures, and let me try to do it. As you can see here we have the countdown and we can take many pictures in a really fast way at the same time. So this is how to use this. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and leave the thumbs up.